Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today your brother is back with another interesting video. Today, I am going to tell you how to enable dark mode on the Play Store. It's a very simple process, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Then click on the Profile section. Go to Settings at the bottom. Click on General. You will find the theme option there. You can choose between light mode or dark mode, whichever you prefer, and simply turn it on. Since I'm explaining, I'll keep it as system default. I hope this video has been helpful. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to the channel.